Hi everyone, this is a Securit Euro cylinder. It's 5 pins. That's the bitting. Quite interesting. It is only 5 pins. This little notch here is not actually a doesn't actually correspond to any pins inside the lock. I'm going to try some different rakes on this lock. I normally do single pin picking videos, but it's good fun to do some raking as well from time to time. This particular lock seems easier to rake than to single pin pick, so I'm going to start with the W rake. It's my favourite. I'm trying to zip it open. I'm using very light tension, literally just feathering the tension bar there. And put any more tension on the lock will just the rake will just jam up in the lock. Okay, that's not too bad with the W rake and the zipping. Let's try the long rake, see if we can rock it open. Well, it's opened immediately. With the, I'll just try that again. It may have been not quite locked up properly. No, it does actually just open like that. It's not so good. Okay, let's try the 4 peaked Picology rake. Just go at it more or less at random, different angles and speeds. Yep, no luck with that one. Let's try the 3-peaked Bogota last. Everyone's favourite. Sorry about the wobbling camera. There we go. So, open with the Bogota. So 3 out of 4 rakes, not bad at all. Cheers guys.